Hello friend, welcome back to Auto Resource YouTube channel. I have at my shop today 2001 Outback and it has 221,000 miles. What I'm doing today is inner tie rod, which is here, and the front wheel bearing, and that gives me opportunity to show you after I removed everything, meaning the CV axle is out. I can finally show you. You can finally listen to that crazy grinding sound. So this came, it was correctly diagnosed here on passenger side. That bearing, you should feel it. It doesn't want to turn smooth. There's a grind in it. And that's not being interfered with the CV axle. Normally you can hear that. And this is the reason why I will replace it. Now I will install the new one and I will show you the difference. And we will also look if there is any visible damage to that bearing. This one, the wheel didn't have a play. It was just that humming sound from this front side of the vehicle. Let me show you the first parts as we are pulling it. So this is a part of bearing coming out. Notice how much rust is everywhere, so definitely moisture made it in, and that is not good for these parts. As I keep progressing, here are a few observations. So you can see immediately it's a tapered roller bearing. This was the seal towards to the CV axle. This is the seal which was right here and failed, because there was supposed to be that little wire which put tension on this rubber part, but it was in pieces sitting just there. So that's a point of our failure, and it will be confirmed on the remaining of the bearing which is still inside. I didn't press it out. Is it too much? Too much light? It was too much light. Look at this huge damage on that outer area. I got lucky this time. That bearing wasn't rusted in, so this front wheel drive bearing removal and installation set easily pressed it out, pushed it out, pulled it out. No, pressed it. It was a press. Here you can see again last time this area which somebody damaged. Now it's not confusing. The bearing is out, so you can see that. I don't know what happened there. Probably somebody not knowledgeable was trying to remove it and not knowing what's happening. There is that snap ring in the back which you can see here, and we can put this on the table and look at on those races, or just do it right here. So this one, it's towards to the engine. Look how clean it was. And this is the damaged one, and that's why we had that noise. There was no play. I'm not sure if I said it. There was no play in the wheel when you pulled on it. There was actually, but that's the problem. There was a play before that inner tie rod, so that's a different job. But when I pulled on the wheel correctly, the bearing was not giving any play yet. So I will put a new one. We will listen how it sounds when it's brand new, and then we will be done. So here we are. This is finally installed, including both seals, and let's give it listen. You don't hear anything? Because that's how it's supposed to be. Nothing. No play. This is just the whole part. That's still that tie rod end which we discuss in beginning. But this way, no play. Alright? It's not that I have it loose or something. This is how it sounds. I will pop there the CV axle for your own troubleshooting, assuming that you have still CV axle in it, and we will listen one more time. And this will be the last one with CV axle inside. Axle not tight, not torqued yet. I normally torque it when I have the brake rotor here. That's where I'm doing the last torque, but listen how quiet it is. Sorry for the rain, but I can't stop that. Right? Absolutely quiet and perfect bearing. I believe many of you will find this video helpful for their own troubleshooting. Hopefully it was also entertaining. And please make sure you are subscribed. I have way more coming your way on this Auto Resource YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day, my friend.